In China, the history of bridges has a long history. Bridges are not only the link between two places, but also show the development and changes in technology. Today's video is mainly to share with you some of the most thrilling glass bridges in China. This is a glass bridge designed and built by Chinese engineers. The entire bridge deck is built with hollow arch bridges and suspended glass decks. The total length of the bridge is about 100 meters, and the vertical height of the bridge deck from the ground is about 600 meters, which is equivalent to a 200-story building. Looking down from a high altitude, it looks like a jade ruyi straddling between the two mountains of the cliff. People walking on it can make people feel frightened even through the screen. And every step they take makes people feel like walking on thin ice. It is said that 100 people stand on it, but only 5 people dare to walk on it. Do you dare to challenge such a bridge? This is the longest glass bridge in the world. Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon Glass Bridge. The bridge is a space cable surface suspension bridge structure with a main span of 430 meters, a bridge deck width of 6 meters, and a relative height of the bridge deck from the bottom of the valley of about 300 meters. The bridge deck is all paved with glass, allowing 800 people to stand on the bridge at the same time to visit. Combining the structural characteristics of the bridge and the topographic and geological conditions, the bridge adopts manual excavation to construct the tower group pile foundation. The steel strands of the main cable are pulled across the canyon, and the spatial geometry of the main cable is adjusted by using the overhead cable above the bridge. Using parallel erection and horizontal anti-tension technology, use a new anti-tension tool to directly tension the main cable spacing. Stringers and beams of stiffeners are manufactured at the assembly yard and assembled into complete sections on site. Then use the cable crane hoisting method to hoist and install the segments symmetrically from both sides to the center span of the bridge, and synchronize with the installation of the suspenders. The hollow part of the deck is paved with large-size transparent tempered glass, and the non-hollow part is paved with non-slip transparent tempered glass. American journalists openly questioned the quality of the Zhangjiajie glass bridge, thinking that they could smash the glass with just a few blows with a hammer. But the result was very disappointing. The Zhangjiajie glass bridge is so famous that it has caused extensive discussions among many foreign tourists. Some even publicly stated that the Zhangjiajie glass bridge uses ordinary glass, which cannot be stronger than traditional bridges made of reinforced concrete. The American reporter didn't believe it, so he picked up the hammer and smashed it with all his strength. As soon as the hammer went down, the American reporter was terrified. This famous glass bridge uses triple-layer laminated tempered glass technology with a thickness of 4.8 cm. The glass made of this material not only has good impact resistance, but also has a certain anti-skid effect. Even on rainy days, feel free to walk on the bridge. The whole bridge is located on the top of the Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon, spanning both sides of the Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon, suspended 300 feet underground. It feels very exciting to walk on it, because the bridge deck is all made of glass. You can watch the whole Grand Canyon. It gives people a feeling of flying through the clouds as if floating in the sky. 8 Taishan Glass Viewing Bridge, Sichuan. The bridge has a main span of 198 meters and a deck width of 2.5 meters. The relative height of the bridge deck from the bottom of the valley is 66 stories high, about 186 meters. The bridge deck is all paved with transparent glass, and there are no reinforced concrete piers in the whole project. The maximum tourist capacity of the bridge deck is 80 people. Zheshi Mountain Glass Bridge, Anhui. The difference of this glass bridge is that it is a combination of glass platform, glass corridor, and glass plank road, and the people who come here are usually not scared to cry but to be abused by dog food. With an altitude of 520 meters, a 520-meter long plank road, a 520 square meter heart-shaped viewing platform, and a 520-degree view of the sky, you can see the mountain scenery and enjoy the sweetness of the world. It has successfully made it a holy place to express love and love. In 2018, the Zheshishan heart-shaped glass observation deck was certified by the world record as the world's largest heart-shaped glass observation platform. Phoenix Mountain Glass Suspension Bridge, Liaoning. This bridge is located under the highest peak, Huanyan Peak, between the Zishan Scenic Area and the Ancient City Scenic Area, connecting the Hefengao Plank Road with the Ancient City S Plank Road. The Phoenix Mountain Glass Bridge is 687 meters above sea level, and the total length of the bridge is 258 meters. Among them, the main part of the glass bridge is 222 meters long and 4.8 meters wide. The deepest height difference between the bridge deck and the bottom of the valley is 126 meters, and the span of the bridge's main hole is 183 meters. East Taihang Glass Plank Road, Hebei. This bridge is built on the upper waist of Longda Cliff, at an altitude of 1,118 meters. It is 266 meters long and 2 meters wide. The entire glass plank road is built around the mountain, and there is a veritable abyss at the foot. At the end of the glass bridge, there are several adjacent pieces of broken glass, and the glass will be broken wherever people go, accompanied by the sound of click. Absolutely exciting glass breaking. Yunmen Mountain Glass Bridge, Guangdong. This bridge is located in Yunmen Mountain Natural Scenic Area in Ruyuan, Shaoguan City. It is the first fully transparent high-altitude landscape glass bridge in Guangdong Province. The bridge is 316 meters long and nearly 3 meters wide, with a vertical height of 168 meters. It is dangerous and the scenery is very magnificent. Watch this review about China's glass bridge and tell us what you think. Enjoy!